I just want to say two things. Number one is I could not be standing here without these amazing supporters who have supported me and my team financially and, more importantly, emotionally for almost 4 years. And the second thing I want to say is no one has fought harder for justice for John O'Keefe than I have and my team. Thank you.
Massachusetts jury acquits Karen Reed of murder in boyfriend's death, convicts her of DUI. June 18, 2025, Canton, MA in a sensational courtroom battle. Karen Reed was found not guilty of second-degree murder, manslaughter.
2282 CR 117001, murder in the second degree. What say you? Is the defendant at the bar guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
So say you, Mr. Foreman? So say you? No. Do you agree?
Yes.
Do all of you agree?
Yes.
Thank you.
Leaving the scene after her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, was found dead in her SUV's path nearly 3 years ago. However, she was convicted on a lesser charge, operating under the influence, receiving a 1-year probation sentence. Case summary and evidence.
003, what say you? Is the defendant at the bar leaving the scene after accident resulting in death? Is the defendant not guilty or guilty? So say you, Mr. Foreman? So say you all? Jurors, hearken your verdict as the court records that you upon your oath say the defendant on 001 is not guilty, on 002 is guilty of operating under the influence of liquor, and 003 not guilty. Thank you.
Incident January 29, 2022. O'Keefe was discovered unconscious in the snow outside an officer's home after a night out with Reed. Investigators initially said Reed, who was intoxicated, struck him with her SUV and drove off. Prosecution claims taillight fragments matching Reed's SUV and her own admissions, "Could I have hit him?" supported their case. Defense's rebuttal: Reed's team argued O'Keefe was killed inside and moved outside to frame her, pointing to evidence handling errors and suspicious investigator behavior. Trail up to trials. 2024 mistrial. First jury hung, reportedly leaning toward acquittal but confused about instructions. Retrial April-June 2025. After 22 hours of deliberation, the second jury exonerated Reed of all major charges, but found her guilty of DUI.
Media, please exit the courtroom immediately.
Karen Reed?
Not
yet.
Tony,
Hold on, everyone. Karen Reed. Ms. Reed, can I have your attention? As required by statute, I must inform you that the records regarding the charges that you have been found not guilty will be sealed by the Commissioner of Probation by the court unless you notify the Commissioner of Probation in writing within 10 days that you do not want these records sealed. To request that these records not be sealed, you may use the Request Not to Seal form, which is posted on the trial court's website on mass.gov. I cannot accept the form here in court. You must submit it to the Commissioner of Probation at the address provided on the form. Please be aware that if the records regarding the charges which you have been found not guilty are sealed, you will be unable to access the sealed record of the not guilty dispositions or any other records regarding those charges. If you want copies of any documents regarding those charges before the records are sealed, you should request copies from the court within 10 days. Do you understand? Thank you.
Public reaction and support. Supporters in pink shirts celebrated outside the courthouse. Many viewed the verdict as a compromise, acknowledging insufficient evidence for murder.
I feel so relieved. This is amazing. This is what God's plan was. She is free and she is not guilty.
I'm just so happy for her. I'm so happy. I'm sad, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy for her.
Free Karen Reed! Free Karen Reed!
I've never felt anything like that. It was so electric here. Everyone was just going crazy. I didn't think this could happen in our town, but it's amazing.
Legal experts highlighted Reed's privilege bail, public narrative control, and a multi-million-dollar defense as key to her case. Meanwhile, O'Keefe's family called the outcome a miscarriage of justice and signaled plans for a civil suit. Looking ahead, Reed begins her 1-year probation for the DUI conviction. O'Keefe's family is expected to file a civil wrongful death lawsuit. The case's extensive national coverage it inspired docuseries on Netflix, HBO, and Peacock raises broader concerns about police investigative integrity and privilege in the criminal justice system. This verdict closes a dramatic criminal saga but sparks an important debate about truth, trust, and equity in high-profile cases.
I just want to say two things. Number one is I could not be standing here without these amazing supporters who have supported me and my team financially and, more importantly, emotionally for almost 4 years. And the second thing I want to say is no one has fought harder for justice for John O'Keefe than I have and my team. Thank you.
Stay tuned as the civil legal battle unfolds. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel for more information and updates.